Everyone. Learn how to find trash folder in Samsung Galaxy Ultra S24 or S25. So we actually need to look for the trash folder you want to clean or you want to restore. You can simply go to the Samsung apps. You will find either look for My Files. You can search My Files and you will find in Samsung Galaxy. Or you can simply go to the Samsung app right there and you will find My Files. The moment you do that, you will find images, videos, audio, documents like this. And if you scroll down, you will find trash. And from here, you can simply restore if you wish to. And it is very easy to do so. You just need to select from here and whatever the files or pictures you want to restore, you can simply select that and you just need to restore it. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.